This is Juergen. I'm going to do the approval process that I set up and also the email templates. So the first thing with the approval process is I set it up so that any user, so if you do user, right, we can say, for instance, myself, where is the users, edit users. Now that I can't find it, user, customize, manage users. Where is it? Here it is. We have to think about it where who's the approver. So we would put it right in the profile, such as in mine right here. It would be who's my approver, and it's right in here. Who's part of the team, where we have team selling and team assignments. Then there's a role hierarchy, and then the immediate thing is right here, who's the approver, and that's right down here. Delegated approver and the manager, right? Is it Tarun, or is it Ryan, or is it somebody that you can assign? Is I set up an approval process against the email. So you can create a new approval process. I created an email approval process. So it would overlay with the user. So we'd have to think about that. The one I did for emails, which is not active, as you can see up here, it's the entry criteria. If somebody creates an email message and the user that started it starts with you or Tarun, then it goes, the action fires. And then here are the approval steps, right? You can edit. Step 1, manually choose. Step 2, who's your approver? All records, enter the setup, and then move forward from there. So that's the approval process that I set up. I think we should do it in production against email templates. So let me get to templates. I need the company logo and the graphic on the bottom for the email template. And from that, we can have 5 or 6 email templates available by role. So here, for instance, I did the HTML email template. Thanks for visiting one of our 2 booths. Attaches the photo. And then we can always have a HTML, and then we can always attach a white paper or 2, depending on what they were interested in. Lightning enablement, talent transformation, etc. And the third thing I did was I enabled tags, personal tags and public tags. This covers approval process, email template, and the previous one you'll see assignment rules. And let's talk about that and then move it into production. Over and out.